Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you want to personally deliver orders nearby. It's easier to do on Etsy in 2026. So local delivery lets you drop off orders within your area using the Etsy settings. How to do so, how to go through all of them settings, we're gonna see all of this in today's small tutorial. So let's get started. So what we want to access is the actual shop manager. It doesn't really matter if you are using the app, the website. Just make sure you are using the exact same login or same basically email address and password. So for me, I'm just gonna go to Etsy.com. As you see here, I'm already logged in, so make sure you also log in using your email address and password to access all of this information. Now it's time to go through this shop manager section. Then tap on settings, look for shipping settings, then select local delivery. Then set delivery radius or any postal codes. Add delivery fee or make it for free if you want to. Then tap on save. Apply this option to selected listings. As for like a bonus tips, be clear about delivery time frame, then communicate before the delivery day. It's ideal for handmade food, flowers, or even large items, or even for like music instrument, something that would break, some glasses, I don't know. It depends. So as I always tell you, whenever you need something to do with your shop, all you want to do is access shop manager, then look for settings. From there, you can access the shipping setting, the CSV settings, the data settings, finances, every other detail. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.